We are turning back here.
Kubanga gy'oli eyo weetaaga okuba ng'ossa konsali g'ekintu kino ku Saturday. Abigaana bino byenyumya kusaba bwino mujjeyo mulabe. Abigaana bino byenyumya kusaba gy'oli owanika omukono mulekere twenva abaana basomesa ababaze bakulu b'ekibiina ng'amasajja wattu abalanga Dr. ba engineers ulira
Who is collecting rubbish?
Should it be inside? Should be inside.
I don't have gloves. So you are having my birthday.
I wish you well in the community.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It is now time for us to start and to sweep. So I will request Madam Ara.
Our Municipal Education Officer and our teachers. Good morning.
Good morning.
Because we are.
The nation is.
Because we are.
The nation is.
Thank you so much for making the nation. Because indeed we are. For we were either beaten or taught or all those things. Here we are. The discipline we have was instilled in us in the schools that we are in. And I want to thank you for choosing this direction to celebrate your day, not in class, because you're used to dirt. Chalk is dirt. For choosing now the dust, the brown dirt, not the white dirt. We want to thank you. We've been crying over garbage, we are crying over darkness, we are crying over a lot of things. And for me, I believe teachers choosing to show us this way, maybe the nation is now going to see the direction to take. You have been, for me, I believe you've taken the practicability of it. You have been telling us on paper that hygiene, sanitation is good. Yes, now we are going to see you do it to the community. We want to thank you for choosing to celebrate this way. We've had celebrations, but you deciding to come to the community, and this is giving back.
Yeah.
And you clean the community and you show the community how it should be done For me, I believe there is no better lesson than this. Even the children you're teaching, and I'm glad you've decided, I'm seeing a number of head teachers here. That shows even the pupils that you've left in those classes will see you and know that even when I leave school, I need to go home and clean first and arrange my home first. Then I come to school. And I love that you've chosen to put on white, which means cleanliness does not mean you must be in dirt, in mud. You can still do that hygiene and remain white. I don't know if that's why you chose the white.
Yeah.
To show that we can still be clean and remain looking smart.
Exactly.
So I want to thank you for choosing this, and I pray that the community will learn something. It's not us thinking that all the teachers have decided to clean. No. Why are they cleaning? That is the most important. We are cleaning because we need a better and safe environment for everyone else. We are cleaning because we are fighting the communicable diseases that you're teaching us on a daily in school, but we don't understand that our negligence, you throwing down rubbish and leaving it unattended to, will eventually lead to the cough and the flu and all these diseases, the typhoids and all this. So we thank you for putting aside all your work and deciding to show us the way. I call upon community to learn and follow in the steps today that the teachers are showing us. With those few words, we are starting with this. Allow